So actually, you gave him his milk. Jared didn't get his milk.
I did.
Grandma said she didn't give you milk. Grandma gave you milk? She did? Okay. Really, is the face necessary? Ah! Yeah. You can't come bend over and get my phone.
What's your chicken picture for? For me and TV?
Yeah. Showing how you guys eat a cookie in 5 seconds. Freshly baked cookies in 5 seconds. The ones from the other pan came out nice and soft all the way around, and the one on the
Which
actual
one?
cookie sheet burnt at the bottom. The one on the pizza tray.
Oh, the one that we always use for pizza?
Yes.
It came out nicer?
Came out soft
Are you
and
serious?
to die for.